Classification of organic compounds. There are millions of organic compounds in the universe. Okay, due to their increase in number, we have to classify all the organic compounds. Okay, let us see one by one. First, the organic compounds are divided into two. Which are they? Acyclic or open chain compounds, okay, and cyclic or closed chain compounds. These acyclic compounds are further divided into two. Which are they? Straight chain compounds and branched chain compounds. Take some examples for straight chain compounds. Example: normal butane. This will be butane. This is a chain, straight chain. Okay. Now, branched chain example: 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. This will be 2-methyl propane. So, there are two subdivisions for acyclic compounds. Now, cyclic compounds or closed chain compounds are those having one or more rings. Okay. They are divided into two: homocyclic or carbocyclic. And the second subdivision is heterocyclic compounds. In the case of homocyclic of carbocyclic, those rings contains only carbon atoms. Okay, those rings contains only carbon atoms. They are further divided into two. Alicyclic and aromatic compounds. Okay, alicyclic and aromatic compounds. These alicyclic compounds resembles aliphatic compounds in most of their properties. Okay, they resembles aliphatic compounds in most of their properties. Take some examples. Cyclopropane is an example. Cyclopropane. Take second example. Cyclopentane. Okay. Cyclopentane. Another example. Okay. Next, aromatic compounds. Next subdivision is aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds, they are special rings of unsaturated compounds. What do you mean by unsaturated? They contain double bonds and triple bonds. Okay. These aromatic compounds are again divided into two. These aromatic compounds are divided into two. Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are divided into two. Which are they? They are benzenoid compounds and non-benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid and non-benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid compounds contains one or more benzene rings. Okay. Depending upon the number of rings, they are further divided into two: monocyclic and polycyclic. Monocyclic and polycyclic. Okay. Polycyclic. Examples for monocyclic aromatic compounds are, example. Take some examples. Benzene. Then toluene. Toluene contains benzene ring with a CH3 group. CH3. Toluene. Then phenol. Same benzene ring with an OH group. These are some of the examples of monocyclic compounds. Polycyclic means they contain more than one ring. Example, anthracene. First one, naphthalene. Naphthalene contains two fused rings. Okay, naphthalene. Then anthracene contains three fused rings. Three fused rings, anthracene. Okay. So, next, non-benzenoid compounds. They do not contain any benzene rings. Instead, they contain other unsaturated ring. Okay, they contain other unsaturated ring. Non-benzenoid examples. Let's take some examples of non-benzenoid rings. Which are the examples? First one is tropalone. Tropalone contains a 7-membered ring. It is a 7-membered ring. Unsaturated 7-membered ring. Tropalone. Another example is azulene. Contains a 7-membered ring and a 5-membered ring. Azulene. These are some of the examples of non-benzenoid ring. Okay. Now we studied that cyclic are divided into two. Okay. Homocyclic division is like this. Now one more division is heterocyclic. Heterocyclic is again divided into two. Which are they? Heterocyclic. Divided into two. Alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic means they contain only single bonds. Example, let us take an example. Oxalone. Example is oxalone. Oxalane is an example. Oxalane, O-X-O-L-A-N-E, oxalane is an example. Next, aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Aromatic heterocyclic compounds are unsaturated compounds. Example, pyridine. Contain a nitrogen atom in the ring. Okay. Now, another example, furan. Another example, thiophene. The ring contains sulfur atom, etc. These are the classification. Okay.